Hi everyone, I hope we're all doing well. Welcome back to my channel. I am your favorite YouTuber, coach, and course creator. Today, we're going to be talking about the list method. But before we get into it, you are more than welcome to subscribe. On this channel, I talk about all things law of assumption. So if that sounds good to you, I would love to have you here. You are also more than welcome to enroll in my Manifest Your SP course or my The Perfect Self-Concept course. All of the information for the courses will be at ritakaminski.com/courses or in the description box down below. Additionally, if you would like to book one-on-one coaching with me where I guide you through your specific situation, you can go on ritakaminski.com/coaching or click the link in the description box down below. And if you would like to join our collective coaching where you ask me any questions and I answer them in video format, you can do so by clicking the join button right next to my name, or click on the link in the description box down below, or if that doesn't work, click on the Patreon link. And as always, everything that I offer and all of my links will be in the pinned comments of this video. I intend that this video changes your life for the absolute best, and with that, let's get into it. The list method is very effective if you want to manifest multiple things, and I have done this so many times and it has worked like a charm. It is able to encapsulate and lock in all of your desires. You're able to actually see them on a piece of paper and they're not like sprayed out across different areas of your life where you forget them. It basically just organizes all of your desires and gives all of them a kick up the butt simultaneously so they can manifest in the fastest way possible, and that is instantly, all of them together. What it is you get a notebook and a pen. If you want a new notebook that really helps you with your manifestations, you can go down below, and I have a shop right below this video, and there's a notebook there called It's Already Done, and you can get it in pink, blue, black. It's so cool. I'll show you. So this is mine and I'm obsessed with her. And basically you get out a notebook, and why I love this one is because it says it's already done. So whatever you put into this notebook, it's like it stabilizes and it locks it in that yes, your manifestations are here right now. So also that will be in the description box down below and in my pinned comment, because we know that it's already done. So anyways, you make a list of all the things that you would like to manifest, specific things that you would like to manifest and generic things that you would like to manifest. I do this in a way where I prioritize the thing that I want the most. So I'd write 1 million subscribers at the top of my list, for example. Insert number of enrollments per month, for example. Insert number of views per video, for example, right? I'd write everything in my life is perfect, magical, and easy. And I'd write it in present tense, like I have this thing right now. It's scripting, but in list form and straight to the point, just one affirmation that describes exactly what it is that you want. What I do after this is write in big block letters, and I get you guys to do this. Some of my clients that I feel need it, because I channel all of your energies as well when you book one-on-one coaching with me, and whoever needs it, and they say that it absolutely works like a charm, I tell this to them and I tell them to do it. So you write the list, and then in big block letters you write it's already done, or it is already done. And as you are writing every single letter of it's already done, you are quantum jumping into the reality where that entire list has manifested. Like it is literally already done. Not in the 4D, not in the 5D, not in the 69D, the 3D. The next thing that I want you to do, close the book. You don't need to look at it again. You can just set it aside, move on with your life. Continue doing whatever manifestation routines you've been doing, or relaxing, or just living your best life, following your happiness on a moment-to-moment basis. These are all the things I do. Now, the thing that I add is everything on my list has already manifested. Everything on my list has already manifested. everything on my list has already manifested, and I am repeating that and I'm incorporating that into my affirmations list throughout the day, and I'm saying it as much as possible. I write it down whenever I feel like it, but I don't even look at the list anymore because it's already done and I already wrote everything down. It's just up to me to remind myself that everything on my list is already manifested. I love this technique, so I want you in the comments down below to really lock it in that all of your manifestations have already been lived out by you. You are enjoying them right now. So I want you to comment, everything on my list has already manifested. I love you all so much. I trust that this video gave you the guidance that you needed. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up because I know you loved it. I hope you have an amazing day, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye everyone.